got back from Europe over there for 2 months out in France, man. Great, wonderful, wonderful.
Gentlemen, the Brown Bomber, the champ, Mr. Joe Louis.
Who's that with Joe?
Miss Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico? Mm. She beauty queen?
For real, the beauty queen.
In the middle of it all, why don't you dance? I said, give yourself a soul clap. It's a slow, cold funky. It's good and smooth. It's a smooth, get on down.
That's how we do it.
It's a slow,
My main man. Yes, sir.
funky. Get on down.
Can y'all excuse us for a minute, please?
Yes, sure, Frank.
Yes, sir. Thank you. What's going on, man? What you smiling about?
I don't know.
What is this?
What's what?
Huh?
What's what?
Come here. What is that you got?
What's what, man? What's
Yeah, that. What you got on?
a very, very, very nice suit.
That's a very, very, very nice suit. Huh? That's a clown suit. That's a costume
Come on, man.
with a big sign on it that says arrest me. You understand? You're too loud. You're making too much noise. Look at me. The loudest one in the room is the weakest one in the room. I told you that. All right? But you trying to be like Nicky Barnes and them?
What's your problem with Nikki, man? I like
I ain't got
Nikki.
no problem with Nicky. Oh, you like Nicky?
Yeah.
You want to be like Nicky? You want to be super fly?
say that.
You want to work for him? Huh? Share a jail cell with him? Maybe cook for him?
He wants to talk to you.
Oh, so now you talking to him about me now? What?
No, it ain't
about
like that.
what? What is it,
It
about?
ain't like that.
Then what
We
is
were
it like?
talking, your name came up. I told him to
About
tell you.
what?
I don't know, man. I told him I'd tell you.
You know, boy, you. Oh, man. You know, if you wasn't my brother, I'd kill you. You know that, don't you? I'd blow your motherfucking brains out.
Man, don't be like that.
I'm taking you shopping this week.